Man, are they gonna air the bloody thing yet? Holy crap. Come on, turn on.
Offshore to mid-lake. Lake Michigan from North Point Lake to Wind Point, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And Lake Michigan from Wind Point, Wisconsin to Winter Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. And the following counties in Wisconsin: Greene, Kenosha, Rock, and Wiwx. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio,
That looks pretty
radio
bad.
and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is Noaa's Weather Radio, KZD 57 in Rockford. Severe weather is forecast to occur in our listening area. The station will broadcast severe weather in the Winnebago, portions of north-central Illinois, northeast Illinois, and northwest Illinois, as well as Rock and Greene counties in Wisconsin. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. The current time is 5:56 a.m. Central.